Waves can be highly diverse because of the characteristics of the medium and the source of the disturbance. The simplest types of waves are mechanical waves that travel through gases, such as sound waves that travel through the air. The source of the sound causes air molecules to vibrate. Then, molecules that are already vibrating cause neighboring molecules to vibrate as well. This process is repeated, and this is how vibration propagates. If the direction in which the particles move is parallel to that of the wave propagation, longitudinal waves occur. Sound is always longitudinal in the air. The air is first compressed and then rarefied, and thus wavefronts are formed. The distance between neighboring wavefronts is called the wavelength. If the wave speed of sound increases, its wavelength increases as well. Wave speed is the speed at which wavefronts travel. This is not the same as the speed at which the particles themselves travel. Wave speed rather characterizes the medium. However, it also depends on several other parameters, such as temperature and the frequency of the wave. The wave speed of sound in the air at a low altitude is about 1,200 kilometers per hour. At a high altitude, it is only about 1,000 kilometers per hour, as the air is colder and less dense there. However, in a dense, solid medium,